Hello everyone, my reborn land. So the snow here just got extremely crazy. As you can see, I can't see a thing. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see behind there, but I sure can. I can't see any streets or anything. Woo, child. I need it's cold. Actually, I'm not cold because this jacket is like extremely warm, thank goodness. I hope that the bus, I'm waiting for the bus, I hope that it doesn't bypass us. Look at my hair. Yo, this is ridiculous. I just wanted to share it with, my plight with you all. So, yeah. So, can you see behind there? I don't think so. Okay, bye.